This exercise is Outrigger Quadruped rocking. So you're gonna, on your hands and knees, you're gonna place, in this case, my right foot out to the side. Notice that the outside of my right foot is pointing straight ahead. I don't have the foot turned out to the side here like this. So make sure that foot stays straight. Try to keep some engagement in your quads the entire time. My back foot is in a plantar flex position, so the front of the ankle is touching the ground. So now I'm going to rock back as far back as you comfortably can go. So that's as far back as I can go. You want to watch that outside foot. Make sure that outside foot doesn't come up. You're pushing that outside foot into the ground the entire time. And then to come back up, I'm pushing into, in this case, my right knee and my left ankle to come back up into this position. Tilt the pelvis, drop back, push into the ground with the leg that you're on, all the way back up to that starting position. Set a timer for 1 to 2 minutes. Do 1 to 2 minutes on one side, then switch sides, and do 1 to 2 minutes on the other side as well.